Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. For this video, ang lesson pa rin natin ay integral calculus. After knowing the 4 basic integration rules, ay magsasagot tayo ng mga integrals ng algebraic functions. Ang ating problem number 2 is, what is the integral of the quantity of x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 all over x squared with respect to x? Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Again, ang problem natin ay, what is the integral of x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 all over x squared with respect to x? So, pag ganito ang ating given, ito ay naka-rational form, hindi natin agad-agad ulit may apply yung ating basic integration rule. Dapat, masimplify natin to in the form na pwede siyang addition or subtraction. So, ang gagawin natin dito, since yung x raised to 5 at saka x raised to 4 ay parehas naka-denominator na x squared, pwede natin silang paghiwalayin. Ang pwede natin gawin is, pwede siyang x raised to 5 over x squared with respect to x, then plus x raised to 4 over x squared with respect to x. Now, isi-simplify naman natin siya dahil itong part na to ay pwede siyang masimplify. X raised to 5 divided by x squared, the answer is x cubed. So itong part na to ay magiging the integral of x cubed with respect to x. Ito namang x raised to 4 divided by x squared is x squared. So itong part na to ay magiging the integral of x squared with respect to x. Ayan. So in that way, pwede na natin i-apply yung ating power rule. So dahil ito ay x cubed, ang kanyang integral ay x raised to 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus arbitrary constant number 1. And then ito ay x squared. Power rule, ang kanyang integral ay x raised to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus arbitrary constant number 2. Then, isimplify natin lahat sila. Ito ay magiging x raised to 4 over 4. Ito naman ay magiging x cubed over 3. So, meron tayong plus x cubed over 3. Then, yung arbitrary constant, C1 at C2 ay i-combine na lang natin as a single constant plus C. So, ito ang ating final answer. Pero pwede rin natin isagot yung 1/4 at yung 1/3 ay nakalabas as coefficient. So, pwede rin nating final answer is 1/4 x raised to 4 plus 1/3 x cubed plus C.